did.
And now we're going to make a coffee mug holder, right?
Don't use your teeth. I literally. Okay. Then. Yeah,
like,
we
were looking on Amazon, and they're all, I would say, pretty expensive. I think that we probably paid under the amount that they were like selling for Amazon for like specifically what we bought.
Yeah, so
I looked on Etsy too, and they were about the same price, like $20.
We got L brackets from Walmart for like 94 cents.
Yeah,
white ones
so
doesn't really
matter.
$2. And we got this block of wood from Lowe's.
It was so that, and then this clear enamel was $10.
So probably like $5 each, plus tax. And this is 1 inch.
So that's 12.
Thick. I don't know how. It's pretty long.
Oh, shoot,
it's like both of us.
It's because and this would work fine.
Yeah, and then we got brass cup holders. We're gonna like screw them.
They're even called cup hooks.
We're gonna screw them into the bottom.
Yeah.
Hang our cute little cups, and then we can put tea or whatever on top. So, and we bought clear spray paint to kind of just put a gloss on it. So
Crystal
we will be
clear enamel from Lowe's
doing that, and so that is what we're doing tonight. And we're very excited. We don't really need to tell you that we're gonna do time lapses, but
you'll see later.
Yeah. And we got.
So anyway, as you can tell, we've never done a vlog before.
Most of this will get cut out. We stained it, and we are getting ready to screw our screws into the thing and do the thing. Do you want to place them though and make sure? I guess we can do that after. Okay, so Kaylee's gonna vlog while I do that.
Here, let me put it in for you. Ew, this is sticky. How does this work? Is that it? Do I need to like lock it or?
I don't think it's gonna be wide enough, but yeah.
I don't know how to do this. Here you go.
Thanks. That's kind of scary. It's like needle-esque.
Okay.
So we said we wanted that,
I thought you were gonna pencil it.
Oh yeah, but you didn't give me a pencil. She didn't give me a pencil. How far we want it out. I like that.
So we're doing ours.
Do you want to do like 1.5?
Exactly 2.
Easier.
We're gonna do ours 2 inches away
from the base.
The base, because we're still gonna have holes in here to put our mug hooks.
Let's
in
lock
to
that.
Mugs. Okay,
safety first. And then from here it's gonna be like
2 inches also.
Probably a little more. But that's okay. Ours is not gonna be exactly flush with the wall. Ours is not going to be exactly. You can shorten that. I just like doing that.
Okay.
Ours is not going to be exactly flush with the wall. It's gonna have like a little bit of gap, but that's okay. We're just gonna put like tea boxes and stuff on top.
So it took about 30 minutes to dry completely. Yeah. We did 2 coats on the top and
still sticky, but that's okay.
1 coat on the bottom.
Oh, you know why it's sticky? Because I put a sticker there.
Oh, thank goodness. It was sticky, but then it dried because we were a little worried. And we bought a screwdriver at Walmart for $18. Fun fact, we mounted my TV today and we did not have a power drill to put drill bits or whatever it's called in the wall. So we asked our neighbors and they had one, but the battery was dead and they could not find the charger. So
like
Catherine and Daniel manually pressed and turned. And then we went to Walmart to get all the stuff to make this, and we were like, well, we're just gonna go ahead and buy one.
Yep.
And it was only $18, and it came with these
and this
and
a charging cord
to do the hole. Now let's hope Catherine doesn't do a hole through the whole bottom. All right.
Yeah, that's
3
it.
holes. Here we
this
go.
This is some Grey's Anatomy stuff. You know how he went.
Do that in.
We're not even that deep. It needs more force, that's all. Oh, we can turn it up. Wait, no, we can't.
Maybe, I think you have to like pull it out. But you have to lock it, maybe?
Yeah, why is that sticky?
Got pretty deep, but we want to make sure that our screw will go all the way in.
Ooh, yes.
It's not even.
So we're now going to test how deep we did the hole. No. Yeah.
I'm scared.
Well.
No, it's going in. Okay, yeah, it's going in. I can see it.
I feel like you're not putting enough pressure. He's wiggling so much.
But it's
me try.
going in.
Let me try. Let me see.
What the? Get the frick out of here! Give me! It's my job! I'm so upset. No!
We need a drill.
Okay, well then do the black. Oh, Kaylee. Yeah. Stop it.
Okay,
stop
we're
it,
gonna
stop
go out now.
it. Yes.
How does it not work? I think it's stuck.
Kaylee. Oh my gosh, Kaylee. Okay.
See, we're good.
Okay,
We're
give me
good.
it. My
I know
job
what
now.
I'm doing.
I want to do it though.
You didn't do it right. It took you
Please.
so long.
No, but I didn't even know you could do that, Kaylee.
Okay, fine. I wish they could hear you pout.
They can.
Oh my
They're here. How did you even do that? Did you just press? I say we just go straight at it with the nails.
Okay. Wait,
I'm
we gotta
gonna
do
get-
more. We gotta do 2 more, yeah. Yeah.
Okay, Kaylee, can you walk us through what just happened? Okay.
And I was like, I'm just gonna go through. And then we found these other screws that worked a little better, and I stripped a nail, so that
Wait,
happens.
let's. Yeah,
You know what? But look, we got no wiggle. We good. Look at Catherine's side.
Okay, but that was difficult. Anyway.
So then I flip it over, right? And I'm like, oh no, I drilled holes. But then I'm like, oh whatever, it's
No
fine.
big deal. So then I decide.
So then I'm like, oh my gosh,
to
there's
move
holes
it.
in here. There's holes in our
This is
table.
art.
I think that was you actually.
No, I definitely didn't. Oh shoot!
Yeah,
I
you
did one
did.
of them, but not as bad as
This was the one where you were making your own track.
this is Kaylee.
We're gonna hang it on the wall now, and I can't drill holes in anything else in the wall.
Okay,
So,
we're
This is
gonna
foolproof.
do it with these screws.
Yes.
Yeah, we kind of reverted to some other screws we had
We
because
found-
first we were doing these black ones. Yeah, they didn't have the point to them. Don't know what
Yeah.
that means.
So now
it
we're
was
gonna
difficult.
use these to put them into the wall, and they
Yes.
have a point on them. So
And the
hopefully
whole
it'll be a
reason
lot
we didn't
easier.
use these in the beginning was because that they're bigger than our piece of wood, so they would have
Yeah.
stuck out and done that.
So, we were gonna figure out
Oh, but
what
we
we're
found
gonna
these little-
do to do. Are we gonna do 2 then on the wall?
Why don't we just do all three?
Because there's only.
We have
Oh,
enough
there is
now.
6.
Yeah.
Yes. So this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna do these 3, and we're gonna show you how we do it. And
Oh my gosh.
it's okay. We have a tablecloth. I'm gonna go get my tablecloth right now, and it's gonna be all good.
Yeah.
And we're not really mathing this, but you totally could.
Yeah.
Okay.
So we are just gonna drill some thingies in there and then
Well,
put the
Catherine's
thingies
gonna
in.
drill. I am not
You-
touching it.
There you go.
Okay. So we've semi-successfully drilled holes and put the things in. So now we're gonna level it.
Get your phone. Oh, okay, well, first of all, it's not even level, Kaylee. You're at it.
I'm pretty level. I don't know.
No, you're not.
Oh yeah.
Get your phone. Okay.
So we've got our things. I will drill because you know can't drill through anything. It's all good. Where's my drilly thingy?
Are you really gonna drill? I thought I got up here because I was gonna drill. You only
do it.
live once, am I right? Do you want me to, I'm gonna start over here.
You good?
No. I need tape. Or like
good.
something to press up on.
We're good? Alright, drill.
Right!
This is obviously a fun process. Go.
Oh, it's locked.
That's why we drill holes.
No, 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 no. It's okay.
Oh
Okay, how about, you want me to drill it first?
no. Can we please drill like a
No.
little hole to even just start it?
First the...
You're going left?
No?
Okay, I'm just making sure.
That's scary.
It's just drywall.
I know, but that's scary.
It's okay.
So do we
So
trust
it's
it
obviously
now?
not gonna go that far.
Yeah.
But I think it'll still be okay. Yeah? Because
And
it'll
we're
still
good
have
now.
some sort of fastening.
Oh, so I need to do the other
Right?
hole though. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
You're good.
We're
Everybody can
all
see your
about
beautiful work.
we're all about the viewers here. On we don't know what our name is gonna be yet.
K squared.
Why is that like that?
It's because this screw.
Okay, well, do the bottom one first.
Okay, that is not centered. Look at this. How did we do
It's
that?
because the screws.
It's because you did it like this.
No, this is way too high. First of all.
Okay, you do it. That hurts. You see what I'm saying?
It's lined up now.
You did it.
Yeah.
Yay.
Can you hold it?
Hold on. Let me push. Yes. It's okay. I got it. We're good. Did you get it? Oh no. Fix it. Fix it.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Do we not have? Oh. Do we not have anything that can hold this?
No. Too small. Okay. But it has to be like perfect, you know?
That's way too tall.
Okay, maybe books. Okay.
Cookbooks. Cookbooks.
This is a process, yeah. Yeah.
Man, y'all.
Oh, I'm actually pretty close.
Yeah. Say maybe a cookbook or off some of the pressure.
Is it level? Can we make sure?
Sure. I hate that this doesn't stay.
Yes.
Yes.
Now, my question is, why didn't we drill the holes in the bottom and put the things in there first?
What do you mean?
The mug hooks.
Because we can hang them now. What do you mean, like?
We have to drill holes and then hang them.
Honestly? Wow, this is so cute. Even as just like a book holder. This would have been so cute for cookbooks.
I guess. My cookbooks are huge though. This is gonna be really hard.
No, it's not. It's already going. Okay, pause.
All right, round 2 of hanging. We got the screw hooks in. We were a little scared to drill super deep so they're not screwed in all the way, but my fingers are tired and it's 12:30 and I have to be up at 7. So
We're just gonna go with it.
we're gonna do
It's
this.
a work in progress.
Yes. Drill it in.
Right. Take 2. Oh my gosh.
Beautiful.
So great.
No, I want to drill it in first. I want to like know, you know. Oh, it's because we didn't do the top ones. I was like, oh my gosh, I almost had a heart attack. What?
The holes are gone.
There was no holes. You did not drill holes in the top. You're like, I'm gonna drill in the bottom and then it'll be fine.
Oh, okay. That's it.
Yay!
When the creativity flows, it flows. Nobody ever stopped Picasso,
All right.
Albert Einstein, Beethoven, Mozart, Bach, Michelle Obama. No one ever stopped us.
Yes! All right, let's hang these beautiful mugs up.
Noted, you gotta face them out if you want them to be pretty side.
We have a lot of tea.
Oh my gosh, this is too tall. Let's put this one away. You like this one though, don't you?
I do. Well, if we take this and just put it in the cabinet for right now until we can figure out what to do with it, we can. Tall, but you know, we did have it like on the bottom of something, and now we have a cute little station for coffee.
Wow. We have our mugs out. Oh my gosh, I need to Snapchat this. Cute. I honestly think that looks so cute. I feel like it's something you would see in a New York apartment.
Yeah.
Okay. Anyway.
Bye.
Thanks for watching.
Hopefully,
You got
send us
something.
pics of your coffee mug racks.
Yeah, hopefully you got something out of that. If it was entertainment, great. Really glad we could be here to make you laugh. If you actually are gonna do it, yeah, send us pictures. Like, you know, all that like typical YouTuber stuff. Comment, subscribe, hit
Yeah,
that
because I don't
bell.
think we have any subscribers yet.
We're gonna get there.
yeah.
Somebody's gonna watch this. I'm gonna link this to Mom. Hey Mom, I love you. Thanks for being so supportive. We're going to bed now.